Back at it. Morning, mate.
Cold, isn't it?
It is. James, we went to a party on Saturday night, and James was like
Not Saturday night, mate.
Friday night.
Yeah.
James was like a dog with two dicks because these two girls come up to me like, oh, we met him in real life. He's famous. Oh, Jay, I see him on TV all the time. Oh, it's true, isn't it?
But I'll have it anyway. Yeah. Let's
yeah.
have it. Let's take it in. Don't mind.
Right. So, got to do the clutch on this now. I'm okay with doing it, but I thought I'd get the expert on hand. So.
Yeah, but you'll be all right with the deuce fasteners here, wouldn't you?
Yeah, get the Zeus fasteners
You'll be all right there.
Yeah, that's the easy bit. Are we gonna race style it and just chuck it on its side, or are we gonna drain the oil out and do it properly?
The oil will come out of it. We'll put it on the pallet stand. All the oil's down here, mate. Look. This is the sump. The oil's not up here.
Okay, right, chill out, sorry.
Alright, just relax.
Right.
It's Monday morning.
It is Monday, isn't it?
Yeah. Fix that damper yet?
No. Why would I do that?
I don't know.
No.
That's ACF 50 on there, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm supposed to be taking it to the wrap this week. I'm supposed to be taking it to a wrap, but I've just run out of time. We did this clutch done. I've got some bar modification I'm gonna get done. I'm gonna change the tyres, but right now let's concentrate on the clutch.
Crutch.
Go on, get her in. Go on, Babs, get her in. Go on. Keep going. Keep going.
Thing you said to do for him, whatever it was. Yeah.
Right as it goes. Go on. What?
Here, James, guess what I just found?
What?
Well, do you remember when you were last here?
Yeah.
And you did an oil change on this bike?
Yeah.
And you took
And I
the oil
rang
filter
you
off.
and said, can you have a look on your bike? So you've left the oil filter
Yeah, but it's not. Look at the filter.
No, it's not on the filter, but it's in the belly pan.
Oh right.
It's wet. It's wedged.
Sorry.
So we've had to go and buy another one.
Sorry.
There. Well, you're a proud owner of this.
I did look inside, and I looked at the end of the filter. I was like, well, it's not on there.
No, because it was in the ferret.
No.
It was on holiday.
So I came in here on Friday and I picked up a clutch that DR Bike sent out to us. New friend clutch, and I put on the story, I said, which budget bike battle bike is this going to be fitted to? And 48% of you said Chris's Italian Stallion. It's not, it's the R1.
Right, so I've got my toolkit laid out, James. What else do I need? I've got my hammer and chisel. What do you reckon? Is that good enough?
Have you got the technique to do it?
Well, we're going to find out.
Go for it then.
Yeah?
Utilise the tools that you have to replace the clutch.
So
It's cold today, isn't it?
it's not. Stop moaning about it. You spent 2 days in a digger in your garden.
I know, I want to go back.
So we don't have to take, and don't have to like lean it over, drop on the oil out. You just literally.
it'll be fine.
No. Yeah, shout out to DR Bikes, brand new friend clutch. Just got frictions because the steels will be fine, hopefully. Go on, you do it. Go on.
Hang on, I better take the cable off first.
I sound like you to be premature.
I actually didn't need to do that, do I?
Is that not a good sign?
It's tight.
They're all the same length.
I don't know, but we're going to find out. They all look the same.
Because that's my like biggest anxiety freak of all this sort of stuff is putting them all.
That one's longer.
What's that? The bottom one, bottom left.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's why I'm putting in order like this.
All right, chill out. Oh, see, that's when the hammer comes in. See, you thought I was taking a piss. Come on, buddy.
Is there even a clutch in there?
Oh.
That's only a cable clip.
Oh, I thought that was a bit of the cranks.
We'll put the gasket out. Gasket's broken.
Oh. Okay,
This is what I was on about.
Yeah.
A mod that I do on them.
Yeah.
Right. This is for whatever reason. It only works on the cable with the arm pulling it, so that spline fits there. I found in the past to get a better action is to sleeve that, so that sits perfectly central all the time. But I know why Yamaha has done that, to allow a bit of indifference in this throw out here and so forth and so on. So you can't make it too tight, but it makes it easier to put it back together.
What should I do about the gasket then? Really? Oh, okay. Nah, she might. Rick, shall I put these new New plates and some oil.
Let's get the old one off first.
Okay.
Let's have a little look.
Alright, just getting ahead of my game.
Well, you can do. We will do, but let's check they're the right ones first.
Oh, okay.
I don't think they're going to take them back. They're soaked in oil, are they? That's your diaphragm spring.
Yeah.
And that pressure pushes that spring and keeps the tension.
Yeah.
So now we've got to take the clip out. And we can take the cover off.
What's you feel like? What?
Oh, nothing's just come apart.
Is that steel there on top?
See, that's that piece I was on about.
Oh yeah. It's weird, isn't it?
Well, it's allowing a difference when the clutch moves. It moves, everything moves.
Yeah.
Right, so
But I've never seen anything like that on there.
it's only Yamaha
Yeah.
seems to do this. Let's get the slot out. I don't think anybody's been here before.
No? That's a good sign.
But it's not blue, see, look at all this.
Oh. Shall I get some...
No, it's fine. Just don't worry about stuff, it's alright.
Chill out.
It's alright, matron.
Well, that's a lot out. Fair bit of wear on one of the plates. See that Martin Scorsese line? See that line there? I mean, that'll do. That'll go again there, Rick, won't it?
I'm not too sure.
Really?
Yeah.
We'll have to.
Well, we might have to do something a little bit of modification on there then, because also it says on here, leave the discs in the container for around 12 hours before fitting as instructed, only the oil clutches plates.
He'll go again, won't he?
We could put it on the other way.
Yeah. Yeah. Right, let's get these buggers in then.
Well, we can't get them
In oil, that's
We've got
what I
to
meant.
stick them in some more,
Yeah.
haven't we?
Right.
Well, I've had these soaking for 12 hours.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Well, time flies, doesn't it?
It whizzes by so fast here. I fitted this in, this steel plate had the wear in it,
Yeah.
so I've turned it round the other way.
Genius.
Alright? Now whether it works, doesn't work, I don't know.
What's going to work, isn't it?
This is all part of the budget by battle.
Yeah.
Spend no money.
Exactly.
That's why we're not even going to put a new gasket on it.
No.
Because we're...
Who needs a gasket?
Yeah, who needs a gasket
Yeah.
when you've got, instant gasket?
Yeah.
That's the stuff.
Yeah.
Anyway, now, set aside that. Plates have been soaking.
Yeah.
They're saturated in oil.
Yeah.
So we'll put it back together.
Sweet.
You can do this as a speed up.
Okay. Oh, do we put the big one in first?
What?
Do we put the big one in first?
I've done it.
Oh, you don't know it's in the... Oh, what, the big...
Yeah.
Oh, is it in, is it?
Yeah, I've done that.
Alright, chill out. What's that bike on the dyno?
One of those racing 1250 bandits.
Well, that's good news. The maths add up. We've got one left of them.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yep, that's it.
Dreamy.
Brand new clutch.
Dripping. There's not a lot left on there, is there?
Not really, they don't feel very nice.
Do they smell nice?
Actually don't even smell very nice.
Really? Have a smell?
If you was going to go down on it, you wouldn't want to...
Oh.
You'd have to come back up for some air, wouldn't you?
3-day-old festival minge.
Festival minge.
3-day-old festival minge.
That doesn't even bear thinking about.
like a cheese toasty.
Made with some sort of foreign cheese. But yeah, so I think they're pretty much... I think we're doing the right thing here.
Yeah.
New friend has come to the rescue.
New friend is my new friend.
I like that noise.
So we've got a talk set in for these.
You trying to catch me out?
No, I'm just wondering.
Like I say, I can look in the Honda.
The Honda?
Yeah, look in the Honda service manual and get nothing of any use. Or I can look in the Yamaha service manual. But yeah, I'm only just nipping it up.
Oh yeah.
Look, it's lovely, isn't it? Look, watch the last one. Ready?
Oh
There you go.
yeah.
So now I'm going to get the torque set that you so kindly reminded me of.
Now this is something I remember for the racing days, James. Bit of grey.
Well, in the absence of a new gasket,
Yeah.
I would recommend putting a new gasket on.
Yeah. This is budget by battle.
Yeah.
And this does just as good a job. I mean, we use this in racing, didn't we?
Yeah, it get you. Makes me uncomfortable, but it ain't going to kill the world because we haven't put a new gasket on.
There's no pandas are going to be harmed in the process, are there?
Let's be honest, it's all in the name.
What, budget?
Budget.
Just slam a bit of that on.
Well, I ain't got to go mad with it.
No.
Just where the bits are broken off.
And just over here, we have the JHS Racing drag bike. Andrew's really setting to work with her. Oh! So that has got to go in the hole. Show in the hole, James, show in the hole. That has got to go in the hole. And we can't get it in the hole.
This?
Yeah, that has got to go
That's
in the hole. It's shite, isn't it? Look at it.
Yeah, but it's allowed for movement on everything.
I get that, but how are you supposed to ensure that it's definitely in the hole?
Well, it's not the getting in the hole's the easy part.
Well, it's not.
It's getting the location of where that wants to be at is the hardest part. I've had it in once.
Have you?
Yeah, I had it in once.
Did you?
Yeah.
What was that, a few years ago?
A few years ago, that was.
There you go. That went in nice then. That went in a lot nicer.
Yeah, that's about right.
Yeah.
That's it.
He's in.
He's in.
Straight in. Right, William? What's Will working on?
What am I working on?
Yeah.
Poorly Bandit.
Oh, Poorly Bandit.
Poorly Bandit.
Oh dear.
It's got rust in the petrol tank.
Oh, I know another Suzuki like that.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yours is?
Yeah.
Is it got rust back in it?
I know, I haven't looked at it. I don't look at it. Don't look.
Don't look. Don't look.
Shall we do what it says in the instructions?
Yeah. What's that?
Which I very rarely read in the instructions, as most people don't. It says in here, warm up the engine in neutral and then shift the gears while stationary using the entire movement of the clutch lever. When the engine is warmed up, drive at medium to low speed.
Oh.
Well, that's counted us out straight away, because there's only one way that throttle's going.
Well, let's flash her up then, shall we?
Yeah. Got lights on, safety and everything.
Oh. Purring.
Shifting the gears.
You've got to warm up manual first and neutral. She's still cold, Rick. She's still cold. Hey!
Or it works.
Don't look inside, don't look
I don't
inside.
think there's any fuel I can nick out of it.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a couple of gallons in there I can have out of there.
So, other than the clutch, that's kind of it for sort of the basic workshop side of things. The only thing I'm slightly worried about, Rick, is that it was getting a bit hot. I don't know if you saw our video in Bristol, but it was getting a bit hot. It was getting like it reached 108.
Did it?
Yeah.
There's a fan. Oh.
What?
Oh.
What?
Oh.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Nothing. Look for another radiator.
Yeah. Do you think it's... Shall I get a Chinese one?
Do you know what I would do?
Leave it.
I'd take the thermostat out.
That's... Yes. Okay.
Or put a secondary bleed on the thermostat.
Oh, hang on. Let's just get all complicated. That's one thing I was going to say. I'm up for taking the thermostat out.
It might even be playing up. I've seen so many older bikes with thermostats that just had their day. They're gummed up. It's only wax, remember?
So if I could take the tank off and do that myself, could I?
Drain the water system down.
Yeah.
Do it and so forth.
Yeah.
Take the thermostat out, check it. Put it in a cup of hot water, see if it opens up.
Yeah?
You can try that. But the radiator is pretty tired on the front of it.
It is tired.
If you could get another radiator, and you can get the copy stuff at a reasonable cost.
Yeah. Well, there's that, and because like I said, it was getting hot.
But where'd you stop? You do the radiator, you'll look at the thermostat, you put hoses on it.
But I do need to get a radiator cover, like some sort of a protector when we're on the rocks.
Well, you can either buy one or you can make one.
Yeah, we'll make one up.
Yeah, it just makes.
You got some grills.
I got some stuff.
So other than that, the workshop side of things, it's over. So like I said, I'm gonna do the tyres Wednesday. Come back in. I've got some bars and some controls that I'll surprise you with, and then look, I'm bored of looking at it as well. My Champagne Noir R1, I'm bored of it looking at it as well. So next time you see it, maybe it might be wrapped, and I'm God, I can't wait to show you. Thanks, Rick.
It's all right. It was a pleasure.